Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, I will to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Gilang Septian, and now I will to explain to you all about coronavirus. Coronavirus or severe acute respiratory syndrome or coronavirus 2 is a virus that attack the respiratory system. The disease due to this viral infection is called COVID-19. Coronavirus can cause mild disorder of the respiratory system, severe lung infection to death. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, better known as coronavirus, is a new type of coronavirus that is transmitted to humans. The virus can affect anyone, such as the elderly, adult, children, and infants, including pregnant women and nursing mother. Coronavirus symptom. The initial symptom of coronavirus or COVID-19 infection can resemble flu symptoms, namely fever, cold, dry cough, sore throat, and headache. After that, the symptoms can disappear and heal or even get stronger. In general, there are three common symptoms that can indicate a person is infected with coronavirus, namely fever, dry cough, shortness of breath. There are several other symptoms that can also appear in coronavirus infection, although less often, namely diarrhea, headache, conjunctivitis, loss of tasting ability, loss of ability to smell, and rash on the skin. To determine if these symptoms are symptoms of coronavirus, a rapid test or PCR is required to find a place to do rapid test or PCR around your home. When to see a doctor? Immediately self-isolate if you experience symptoms of coronavirus infection as mentioned above, especially if in the last 2 weeks you are in an area that has a case of COVID-19 or contact with COVID-19 sufferers. After that, call the COVID-19 hotline at 119 for future guidance. If you may be exposed to coronavirus but do not experience any symptoms, you do not need to take yourself into the hospital. Just stay at home for 14 days and limit contact with others. When symptoms appear, just do self-isolation and ask the doctor by phone or application about what action you need to take and what medication you need to take. Cause of coronavirus. Coronavirus or COVID-19 infection is caused by coronavirus, a group of viruses that infect the respiratory system. In most cases, coronavirus causes only mild to moderate respiratory infection, such as flu. However, the virus can also cause severe respiratory infection, such as pneumonia, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and severe acute respiratory syndrome. It is suspected that coronavirus was originally transmitted from animals to humans. However, it was later discovered that coronavirus is also transmitted from human to human. A person can contract COVID-19 through various means, namely accidentally inhale droplets that come out when people with COVID-19 cough or sneeze, holding your mouth or nose without washing your hands first after touching objects affected by saliva places COVID-19 sufferer, and close contact with COVID-19 sufferer. Coronavirus prevention. Currently, Indonesia is conducting regular COVID-19 vaccines to Indonesian. Although vaccine has already started on the run, the best way of prevention is to avoid the factor that could cause you to be infected with this virus, namely, apply physical distancing, use a mask when doing activities in public place or crowd, routine hand washing with water and soap or hand sanitizer, increase endurance, avoid contact with people with COVID-19, people suspect of being positively infected with coronavirus, or people who are sick with fever, cough, or cold. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing or sneezing, then throw the tissue in the trash. Keep frequently touched object clean, and environmental hygiene, including home hygiene. Okay, that's about coronavirus. I hope it can be useful for all. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.